the vast majority of people have no idea what money really is, what you can use it for, and almost everyone has this all jumbled up in their brain. So let me give you some clarification in what money is really for, what the real purpose is of it. One of the most often recited uses for money is time is money, implying that a certain amount of time passes and that should be worth a certain amount of money. Like a lawyer or maybe a doctor, they sell their time an hour at a time and they bill on an hourly basis. In their case, that's not wrong. We want to get free of that thinking eventually. We want to make it so that time is no longer connected to money. So that definition is wrong. Then you have people saying money is the root of all evil. You shouldn't strive for money because money is evil. I actually had the father of a former girlfriend tell me that no rich man has become rich without exploiting the poor of the world. And the guy genuinely believed it. Like, he was 100% sold on the idea. Quite scary. Because if you're actually sold into the idea and you consider yourself a good person, and the vast majority of people do, well, you'll never get rich. Because in order to get rich, you have to jump over that hurdle of exploiting good people that you artificially made in your mind, and then you'll never get there. So that's a weird definition. Let me give you an example. I was vacationing and we went to a water park. We went to a park with all the slides, and when I got there, there was this cash register and you could buy a locker. And I get in line, buy the locker, and I noticed that there's a fast pass available. So I told the girl, add the fast pass. She adds the fast pass and we get this bracelet. There's a ride, and they have, on one hand they have a free section, and on the other they have a fast pass section. We walk up the fast pass section. It's in a sweltering heat. You're in your bathing suit. The sun is burning on you. The stairs are made of metal. So we were walking, and I was walking pretty quickly because the stairs get pretty hot. And as I was walking up the fast pass stairs, I walked by maybe 100 people. I get up, use the ride. It was fun. So I decided to get up again. Walk to the same ride, walk up the same stairs. I get up again. This time there's like a 4-person waiting line for my fast pass tickets, right? So while I'm waiting, I notice a couple guys that had been there previously. Like previously when I went on the ride, they were standing there as well. And turns out they were Dutch. They heard me talking and they asked, like, what's with the bracelet thing? How can you make it so fast? And I explained to them, like, it's a fast pass. You can buy it at the entrance. And these guys say, yeah, I think we're going to get those. We've been waiting here for 45 minutes and we're yet to go on the ride. I was waiting for 2 minutes max. First time I didn't wait at all. Second time I waited for 2 minutes. I said, yeah, it's probably worth it, guys. The funny thing, when I look back on that experience, is that money serves as an amplifier, a forced multiplier for whatever you're trying to do. If you're trying to get anything done and you have money and you value getting it done quickly, money will allow you to get anything done way quicker. If you're trying to get the best quality of something, money will allow you to get the best quality. If you're trying to be first at something, money will allow you to be first. Now, a lot of people get this mixed up. They see money as something evil. They assume that when I get money, I will get, everything will flow to me automatically. I will get girls, business partners, clients. Like, people will just flock to me as if I'm the born again Jesus, and people will just come unto me. Let the children come to me, right? That's not the way this works. Money makes things easier. It multiplies things. It's a lubricant. But you still have to put in the work. We still had to get in the line for the ride. The ride didn't come to us. Still had to walk up the stairs. Way less effort, way less time, way easier. Still had to put in some of the time. So if you're looking for a reason to get rich, if you're looking for a reason to get money, this is an excellent, excellent reason to do it. No, it will not solve all of your problems, but it will give you plenty of options to solve your issues. Solve any problem you might have. Get it fixed in the best and the quickest and the easiest and with the least friction possible. So get rich. It's worth it.